Ghost cutthroat HD trout. Oh, there's a huge one. Dude, this is a meatball. I saw him come up in the depths and just smack it.
Oh my god.
That was sick. Oh, it's a cut. There's sight fishing me. Let's go on that caddis. He's digging. Well, what's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this episode, I went up with my buddy and my dad and my little brother up to the Holy Cross Wilderness, which is just outside of Vail, on an insane backpacking trip. A lot of hiking, but it was well worth it to get on these brook trout and cutthroat trout. All native, by the way, completely wild, no stalking. And yeah, I got a few on the spinner, got a few on the fly. And this is just part 1 of 2 of the backpacking series. So stick around for part 2. It'll be coming in the next week or so. And yeah, but without further ado, here y'all go. Got one, guys. Ghost cutthroat HD trout. Looks like a brookie. Yep. On that jerkbait, guys. Beautiful, probably little 11-inch brookie. Oh, red stomach. Pretty aggressive right now because we're getting ready to spawn in a month, about a little less than that. But yeah, beautiful brookie. Don't horse him. Bring him right down here, buddy. Pretty one. Let him fight. I did it. First one. Show him up here, buddy.
That's a nice one.
Show him up here. Sweet. My boy, Chris.
What would that be? Dude, whose is that? Is that your sword?
Yeah.
Eat that, bro.
I know. I'm trying to catch this fishy. Sorry, guys. It's quite dark. Still catching them out here, though. Is this a cut? Is this a cut? I don't know. It's like silver. It's hard to see. I don't know. Can't see it. It's way too... I think it's a cut.
What is that?
Or is that... Or is that just a super uncolored brookie? Oh no, there's a cut. There's a cut. Let's go. I wish you guys could see. See that cut right there. No.
Dude, you just killed this one.
He might be going on the string. Beautiful cutthroat, guys. Can't believe you caught him that quick. So pretty.
Yeah, we got desserts.
Nice and easy. What is it? Brookie or cut? Oh, little brookie, I think. Oh yeah, little brookie. Bring him over here, buddy. Get him onto the grass. Take the bell off. Oh boy. Oh, there's a huge one. Oh my god, I just saw the biggest freaking trout. Oh my god, they're huge. Oh my god, he just scurried away. Is it a little one? What is that? Is that a cutty or a brookie? Baby brookie. Oh my god, how small is that one? Things like 2 inches long.
Oh my god.
Dude, that thing is so small. I'm a panther mom. It's a big one.
Oh, where's my phone?
I have it.
You have it?
Yeah. Oh shoot. How am I gonna do this? Is a meatball of a brookie. Oh my gosh, guys. I saw him come up from the depths and just smack it. No.
Here, bring him up. Bring him
Oh
up.
my god, this one's fighting.
Bring him on here.
There's like no landing spot.
Oh my god, bring him right here.
Dude, okay. Come on, don't grab the line.
Oh my god.
Don't flash. No, don't do that. Bring him up. Grab me. Grab him. Yes, let's go. That's a 14.
Oh,
That's a 13 at least.
oh my god, bro.
Good. Let's go.
Christian, we told you to fish over there.
What a toad. Oh my god. He engulfed it. Oh my god. Nice freaking brookie. The gold Meps, guys. Hell yeah. Let's freaking go. Don't rush him. Oh, dude, it's so pretty. Oh, shoot. Where am I going to get him?
Right here.
Okay, let me go under your rod. Let me go under your rod.
Yeah. Let's go, baby.
On that Panther Martin, baby. Attaboy. Dude, it's better, dude. It's better when it's windy because I can't see us as well. Beautiful brookie, guys. Oh shoot! He pulled drag. Oh, he's right here. Dude, it's a female, I think.
Alright. Here, I'll get down there.
Honestly, this is like the best spot we've had. Got a bite every cast.
Bring him over.
Just fling him up onto the bank. No, don't do that. Oh shit!
No one gave up! Wait!
Throw him up here. Alright, let him go. Bye, buddy.
Damn, the hook was caught in my hand. So I couldn't.
I was like, great.
Give me my rod, I'm a fisher. Ooh! Oh, wait, no. Oh my god, bro.
That would suck.
You're lucky I grabbed it.
I love you. Oh. Oh. Is that a nice one or a little one?
I think it's a good one.
Dude, real. You still have them. Oh my god. Oh, it's a pretty nice one. Shoot. Fling him up here. Attaboy.
I broke myself.
Attaboy, Brady. Here, show him up here. Oh my god. So cool. Let's go. I think this one's a male. Dude, they're not Schmeat balls like the other spot, but they're still freaking nice. Oh yeah! Oh my god! He just got off. Yes, sir. Okay, keep that. That was sick. Oh, it's a cut. It's a freaking cut. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, that was so dope. Guys, sight fishing these cutthroats and brook trouts. We can just see them come up to our spinner sometimes. Got like 7/8 of them will not eat. But we'll hit like one fish per spot. It's so sick. But this one's a cut. Beautiful red slash. Complete 100% native Colorado greenback cutthroat trout. Spots on the tail. Less spots up here. That's how you can tell. And yeah, it's so pretty on a gold net spinner. I think it's a 1/6 ounce, 1/4 ounce. Yeah. Send it back. Dude, if they rise, I'm telling you. Attaboy. Guys, we just saw one rise and then we just cast right in there. Instant. Should be easy to land. Just flip them onto that mud. Yes. Let's go. Complete other side of the lake, guys. Yeah. Sweet. Oh my god. Brookie in the freaking shallows, guys. That is like less than 6 inches of water right there. And you can see it just hitting the top constantly. A little brookie on that lips. Yeah. Dang. Dude, we can get him on the fly. I just sight fished him. I pulled it right in front of him. Let's go on that caddis. He's digging. Bro, I'm gonna catch like 10 on this. Sweet. My GoPro go up. Yeah, it is. Oh!
Awesome. Brookie on the fly.
That's absurd.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no hesitation.
Sweet.
Right on the tongue. Just look at it. That's how you know they want it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching that episode. In this picture, a lone mountain goat decided to come through our camp in the middle of the night. We all thought it was definitely a bear, but once we got out of our tents to just see what it is, it was a lone male mountain goat, just completely by himself in the low country. It was kind of weird to see. Weird to see that he wasn't up on the rocks, like he should be. But yeah, it was just really funny. We definitely thought it was a bear when it was like huffing and puffing and stomping right through our camp. But we got out and saw that it was just a little goat. But yeah, that was pretty funny. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, you're an absolute legend. And until next time, you guys all know it. Good job, guys.